Alright, I did a video before comparing some brake hoses and things for a Corvair to see if the name brand expensive ones are better than the cheapo ones, and we discovered they're the same exact thing. So here's another instance. This is a rebuild kit for a Saginaw steering gear off of a late model Jeep. When I say late 70s. So this Edelman retails for something like $20, and the Gates retails something, 3 or 4 times that. But it's the same exact thing. I've already opened this one up, but you can see printed on the packaging the part numbers: ED7858, 71005. Got to fold it over. 324, and there's ED 7858 71005824. Oh yeah, that's an 8 out of 3. So these kits are identical. There's a 7858 up there and 350350, 7858 350350. Gates calls it a 350350. Edelman calls it a 7858. Instructions are identical. This package is not opened. Let's see what bit we're looking at. So right there. So do your homework, save yourself some money.